Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type HP ScanJet Pro 2500 F1 driver download, enter your scan model to search, and hit enter. Go to the official HP support page for the HP ScanJet Pro 2500 F1 drivers. Click Download next to the recommended driver package, usually labeled HP ScanJet Pro 2500 F1 Full Software Solution or Basic Driver. Locate the downloaded file, usually an .x like setup_basic_sj2500f1.x, in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to run as administrator. Follow the on-screen prompts. Accept the license agreement. Choose Typical installation for full features, includes scanning software like HP Scan. If prompted, allow the installer to connect to the internet for updates. When installation finishes, restart your PC if prompted. Connect the scanner if not already done, Windows should detect it automatically. Open the Start menu, search for HP Scan, and launch the HP scanning software. Place a document on the Flatbed or in the ADF, automatic document feeder, and scanner test page.